Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create text effects on Canva, and also we'll be going through some new features Canva just released. So this is a 4-layer text effect. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and also a background, and this is editable. So let me open a new canvas to do a fresh one. So go to home, create. So I'm using YouTube thumbnail size to create this YouTube thumbnail. This is a fresh white canvas. Now, first thing we have to do, let me import the colors we'll be using for this design. So I've uploaded already on my Canva. I've uploaded the color already. So what you do is to check the description, and I'll put a link there to the color palette that we are using for this. So this is the color palette. So let me just reduce it. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. So we'll be making use of the 5 colors. So let me just reduce it to give space for our main design. Yes, all right. First, let's color our background. Let's make it blue. That's our background color there. So click the plus sign and go to text, add a heading, click that, then edit and write April. Increase the size. Let's check for font. So I'll be using check for the fonts. Check for the fonts. Here is the fonts. So size, let's work with 194. Let's work with 194. Align to center and middle. Position. This is one of the new features Canva just rolled out. In the old version of Canva, all positions are together, the arrangement and the align, but now they have separated it, so there's arrange, align, also advanced. So if you want to impute your width and your height, you can do that, and also lock the ratio, rotate, but I'll be using this align. Center is already the center, then middle. So now go to effects, and use splice. Yes, click its thickness. Take thickness to 100. offset 0. Offset should be 0. Offset should be 0. Direction minus 45. Color. Our first color we'll be using will be purple. So you select your color picker and select the color from the color palette that we uploaded. So you make it purple, go back, then you click on color. Click on color and click purple. Yes, to turn the outline around the word to purple too. Okay, yes. So that's for that. Then copy. So change the color to this green. Last one. Okay. So let me say something quickly. All words, all the layers will be the same size. That is, the size of this is 194. So but we are going to be placing them layer after layer because of the outline we'll be using the effects. So for this second layer, so let's go to effects, use outline. We use splice for the first one, use outline for this. So click to edit. Thickness, reduce the thickness, reduce it. Okay, edit it here direct. 30. Thickness 30. Then change the color to that. Okay, change color to that. So now go to position, outline, to center, middle. Then go to your direction to fix it. Side, left, up. Yeah, let's see. Okay, this is okay. Trying to show you what I'm doing. Zoom in. Okay. That's okay. So yeah. So then you copy again. The next color will be yellow. Let's use yellow for our next color. The next layer will be yellow. So just change this to the yellow. Change this to the yellow, and let's go to effects and click none. Remove the effects. Then go to position, outline to center and middle. Then take your place position. So okay. Position is yeah. That's okay. Then copy again, and let's put the last color. Last color will be red. Fourth layer, red. So this red, go to effects, and click outline. You edit thickness, reduce the thickness to 15. Reduce the thickness to 15. Then change the color
to white. Change color to white. Change color to white. Change color to white. Then outline, position, outline, center, medium. So then try and resize is in center. Size. Seeing the yellow is not really showing for this A part. So okay, let me show you on that new feature that Canva rolled in. So this is layers. So before we were not having this, only for people using computer. So this is layers. Click layers. See all the layers here they have put. So all this is overlapping layers. So let's click that yellow one. Click on that yellow. You can easily just go and change. Yeah. This is nice. This is okay. It's okay. Okay, let me show you what layers can do. Now, in these layers, you can easily just select. So you can easily select each layer and click done and size to any size of your choice. This can only happen on laptops and computer monitors, but now with the new features we can do it on our phone. So yes, that's one of the new features that Canva rolled out. So okay, let's go back. So now we are done. Let's place so just go to your plus, add text, percent, editable. So I'll be dropping the link to edit this in my description. So do it to try it out or create yours. Yeah, 100% editable. Then so just copy that and edit. Canva text effects. Canva text effects. So also Canva text effects. Copy. So let me do this. Change the font of this to something different. Yeah. And to align them to center. Align them to center. Align them to the center. Center, yeah, very important. Let me take this a little bit here. Okay, then change the color to white. Just click change. It's going to change. Yeah, so for the background, there's something I downloaded, I uploaded. Yeah, I got like Thunderbolt design. So just increase, try to increase it, yeah. So when you increase it, just position, take it back, backwards. So then transparency, try to reduce the transparency. I take that to like 14. When you're unable to get the right number, you can just easily edit that and get 14. Yes, so we're done. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Also drop what you think about this video on the comment section. Let me remove the palette, color palette. All the resources used will be dropped in the description for you to recreate and use. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe.